you hear the name Mercedes-Benz, the first words that come to mind are luxury, class, and timeless innovation. For decades, the brand has been shaping the automotive world with vehicles that define prestige on the road. But in 2026, Mercedes takes a bold step into the future of travel with a motorhome that is not just a vehicle, but an entire lifestyle on wheels. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is a seamless blend of futuristic engineering, unmatched comfort, and smart technology designed for people who believe that the journey should be just as beautiful as the destination. The first thing you notice when this motorhome comes into view is its striking exterior design. It carries that signature Mercedes elegance with smooth sculpted lines and a commanding presence that immediately stands apart from every other motorhome on the road. The front grille is bold, illuminated with the iconic three-pointed star that glows subtly at night. Aerodynamic LED headlights sweep gracefully across the front, giving it a futuristic yet classy appearance. The bodywork is sleek and aerodynamic, designed not just to look beautiful but also to reduce drag and improve efficiency on long journeys. Chrome accents, tinted panoramic windows, and a sculpted roofline remind you instantly that this is no ordinary camper-teats. Mercedes redefining the meaning of mobility. Step inside, and the true magic of the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome comes alive. This interior is more than a living space, it is a sanctuary. Mercedes has taken inspiration from luxury yachts and private jets, creating an environment where every detail speaks of elegance. The cabin is bathed in natural light through massive panoramic windows and skylights, while ambient lighting can be customized to match your mood. Whether you want a warm, cozy glow for evenings or a crisp daylight feel during long drives, every surface, from handcrafted leather seating to polished wood veneers and brushed aluminum accents, has been crafted to perfection. The living area offers spacious lounge seating with Mercedes' intelligent comfort technology. These are not just seats, they are multifunctional recliners with massage, heating, and cooling functions built in. The seats swivel to face either the road or the central entertainment hub, where a massive 65-inch OLED smart screen folds seamlessly from the wall. This entertainment system is powered by Mercedes MBUX hyper-intelligent interface, allowing you to control everything with just your voice. From streaming your favorite shows to adjusting lighting, climate, or navigation, everything is integrated into a single futuristic command center. The kitchen inside the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome feels like it belongs in a modern luxury apartment. It comes equipped with smart induction cooktops, a touch panel refrigerator, a hidden microwave oven, and even a built-in espresso machine. Countertops are made from durable yet elegant stone-finish composites, and storage solutions are intelligently designed to maximize space while keeping everything organized. With this setup, you can prepare gourmet meals on the go without ever feeling like you left your home kitchen behind. Moving toward the rear, the motorhome opens up into a master bedroom suite that truly defines luxury on the road. A queen bed with memory foam mattress ensures restful sleep, while motorized shades give you complete privacy at the push of a button. Surround sound speakers are built discreetly into the walls, offering a cinematic experience whether you are watching movies in bed or simply relaxing with music. The bedroom also comes with its own private climate zone, meaning you can set the perfect temperature independent of the rest of the motorhome. And then there is the bathroom, often overlooked in traditional campers but transformed by Mercedes into a spa-like retreat. Step inside and you are greeted by rainfall showers, heated flooring, anti-fog mirrors, and a vanity with touch lighting. The water system has been designed to recycle and purify, ensuring long trips are never interrupted by the need for constant refills. Even the toilet is high-tech, with touchless operation and eco-friendly features. Of course, Mercedes knows that today's travelers want more than comfort, they demand connectivity and performance. The 2026 Motorhome comes equipped with full 5G satellite internet, meaning whether you're parked in the middle of the mountains or by the beach, you are always connected. Multiple wireless charging pads are seamlessly built into the furniture, and smart sensors throughout the cabin monitor air quality, lighting, and even your sleep patterns to optimize comfort automatically. On the performance side, Mercedes has equipped this motorhome with an advanced hybrid powertrain that combines a high-output diesel engine with an electric drive system. This ensures not only incredible torque and reliability on long drives, but also the ability to travel short distances silently in full electric mode, perfect for entering cities or enjoying a peaceful night stopover. Regenerative braking, solar panel integration on the roof, and intelligent energy management make the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome one of the most efficient in its class. Driving this giant is nothing short of remarkable. Mercedes has integrated its autonomous driving technologies, allowing semi-automated highway cruising, lane keeping assist, adaptive suspension, and 360-degree cameras for perfect visibility. The cockpit itself feels more like a futuristic jet, with dual digital displays, a voice-activated assistant, and augmented reality navigation projected onto the windshield. Handling is smooth and precise, with adaptive air suspension that adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a ride that feels luxurious even on rough terrain. Safety, as always, remains at the heart of Mercedes engineering. Features like emergency braking assist, blind spot detection, pedestrian recognition, and night vision ensure peace of mind no matter where the road takes you. The motorhome is built with high-strength lightweight materials that not only enhance safety but also improve fuel efficiency. What makes the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome truly special is the way it blends freedom with luxury. It is not just about reaching destinations, it's about experiencing them with a sense of comfort and prestige that only Mercedes can deliver. Imagine waking up to sunrise by the ocean, brewing your morning coffee in a designer kitchen, stepping out from a spa-like shower, and then continuing your journey in silence with electric drive. This is more than travel. This is the art of living, redefined. Mercedes has once again raised the standard, proving that luxury and adventure can exist in perfect harmony. The 2026 Motorhome is not just for those who love the road. It is for those who believe that life is best lived when every journey feels like a first-class experience. With this masterpiece, Mercedes has created something that is destined to inspire a new generation of travelers, people who want not only to see the world but to experience it in elegance, comfort, and futuristic style.